Pure excitement, shock, exhilaration, revelation.
A little mix of nervous and excited. I think seeing my friends here has been really calming.
A little bit of anxiety, mostly excitement. It's an enormous privilege to be stepping into this profession finally as physicians, and I'm mostly feeling gratitude, I think.
We applied together. We're just about to find out where we're going to go, hopefully the same place.
Today is match day. This is one of the biggest days of the year for a person who has gone through this medical journey.
It's the day when medical students across the United States find out where they're going to be going for residency.
That means we find out where we'll be living, breathing, learning, working for the next 4 to 7 years.
It's a culmination of everything that we've all worked so hard for, and it's just so amazing to see people that we met like 4 years ago who we've become like best of friends with.
You're embarking upon a career in medicine at what I am absolutely certain is the most exciting time ever.
When people ask me where I'm from, I say 500 feet that way. I've actually cared for patients who were in the same room that I was born in, and also met the OB-GYN who helped deliver me. 40 years ago, my dad was a refugee fleeing Vietnam. I've had such a tremendous privilege to be here at Stanford. I'm so grateful to be here, but I'm also grateful for the sacrifices they've put into my education and allowed me to get to this point. So no matter what happens, I mean, what a generational glow up.
I lost my mom to breast cancer when I was in high school, and for the longest time I didn't think I was going to go into healthcare or medicine, but her nurses and doctors really inspired me to go into medicine and to sort of learn to treat people the way in which they treated us.
During my medical school journey, unfortunately, my father was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer and he passed away shortly thereafter. And when I went to visit him during my second year of medical school, he was laying in the hospital bed. And I told him that I'm gonna finish this thing, I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna make him proud. So when I open up that envelope, immediately I'm gonna be looking up to him and letting him know that I accomplished it.
I think they're going to be really proud of us.
They will be. They will be.
Yeah.
What an incredible day this is. The anticipation in this room is palpable, and rightfully so.
For me, it was very personal. When I was in high school, I had 2 friends who actually died of brain cancer, a type of brain cancer called glioblastoma. Having both of them pass away taught me that we had so much more to do in the field of medicine and the impact that doctors can be, not just as physicians, but also as scientists in advancing care and giving people more hope for tomorrow and the years to come. They're really my guiding light. They are my North Stars, and I think about them all the time. They really motivate me to keep going.
Now we're each going to gather in the respective corners of the room.
That's right. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Perfect.
Here it is.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So I matched at Mass General Brigham in Boston. My mom has worked as a cashier in the parking office of Mass General for over 20 years now. So I'm gonna call her right now, let her know that I'm coming with her. Hello, Ma, how you doing? You feeling nervous? I have some news for you, Ma. I have some news for you. We did it. We're coming home. We're coming home.